Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking flight with the 6 best drones that are dominating the skies in 2026. From beginner-friendly flyers to professional-grade aerial cinematography powerhouses, these drones combine cutting-edge technology with incredible camera quality and intelligent flight features. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, creating cinematic content, experiencing the thrill of FPV flight, or just starting your drone journey, these aircraft deliver unmatched performance and reliability. Let's get airborne. Number 6, DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 delivers an exhilarating first-person view, flying experience designed for those who crave the adrenaline rush of immersive flight. This compact FPV drone puts you directly in the pilot's seat through the included DJI goggles, providing a thrilling perspective as you navigate tight spaces, fly through gaps, and perform dynamic maneuvers that traditional drones simply can't match. The upgraded camera captures stunning 4K stabilized footage even during aggressive flying, while enhanced obstacle avoidance sensors provide confidence for newer FPV pilots. Built-in propeller guards protect the drone during inevitable bumps and crashes, making it remarkably durable for an FPV aircraft. The intuitive motion controller allows easy one-handed flying for beginners, while experienced pilots can switch to the traditional FPV remote for advanced control. Extended flight time gives you more opportunities to perfect that shot or explore new environments, and the improved stabilization ensures smooth cinematic footage despite dynamic movements. With ready-to-fly convenience and DJI's signature build quality, the Avata 2 makes FPV accessible to everyone while satisfying experienced drone racers. The DJI Avata 2 retails for approximately $1,000 USD. Number 5, DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro represents professional aerial cinematography at its finest, featuring a revolutionary triple camera system that provides unparalleled creative flexibility. This flagship drone combines a Hasselblad wide-angle camera with medium telephoto and telephoto lenses, allowing you to capture multiple perspectives without changing position or compromising image quality. The 4/3 CMOS sensor delivers exceptional low-light performance and incredible dynamic range, producing cinema-quality footage that rivals dedicated camera rigs. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing ensures safe flight in complex environments, while the impressive 43-minute flight time gives you extended shooting sessions without constant battery swaps. Advanced Active Track 5.00 follows subjects with precision, and the 15-kilometer transmission range provides reliable control even on distant shoots. ProRes and H.265 codec support delivers professional-grade video files ready for high-end production workflows. With multiple intelligent flight modes, precise gimbal control, and the ability to shoot raw photos, the Mavic 3 Pro is built for serious filmmakers and professional content creators who demand the absolute best. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro retails for approximately $2,200 USD. Number 4, DJI Neo Best Budget. The DJI Neo claims the best budget spot as an incredibly capable entry-level drone that makes aerial photography accessible to everyone without sacrificing essential features. This ultra-lightweight drone weighs just 135 grams, making it exempt from registration requirements in many regions and perfect for spontaneous flights. Despite its compact size and affordable price, the Neo captures impressive 4K video with electronic image stabilization that smooths out your footage beautifully. Palm takeoff and landing functionality means you can launch directly from your hand without needing a controller, while intelligent quick shots create professional-looking automated shots with a single tap. The intuitive controls and built-in safety features make this the perfect first drone for beginners, kids, or anyone curious about aerial photography. Indoor flight capability with propeller guards allows safe flying in confined spaces, and the compact foldable design fits easily in a backpack or even a large pocket. With simplified flight modes, automatic return to home, and impressive stability despite its tiny size, the Neo proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to start your drone journey. The DJI Neo retails for approximately $200 USD. Number 3, DJI Mini 4K. The DJI Mini 4K strikes the perfect balance between portability, performance, and price for recreational flyers and casual content creators. Weighing under 249 grams, this featherweight drone avoids registration headaches while delivering genuinely impressive 4K video quality that rivals much larger and more expensive models. The 3-axis motorized gimbal provides smooth, professional-looking footage even in breezy conditions, while the extended flight time of approximately 31 minutes gives you plenty of airtime to explore and create. Intelligent features like automatic subject tracking, panorama modes, and creative quick shots make capturing stunning content effortless, even if you've never flown a drone before. The enhanced transmission system provides reliable control up to several kilometers away, and the intuitive DJI Fly app simplifies everything from flight planning to editing your footage. Despite the compact size, wind resistance is surprisingly good, and the drone handles smoothly with responsive controls. The foldable design means it disappears into a small bag, making it the ideal travel companion for adventures where every ounce matters. The DJI Mini 4K retails for approximately $300 USD. Number 2, DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro elevates the ultra-portable drone category to professional heights with advanced features packed into a sub-250-gram frame. This remarkable aircraft features omnidirectional obstacle avoidance that allows confident flying in complex environments like forests, urban areas, and tight spaces where other mini drones would struggle. The upgraded camera system captures stunning 4K 60 FPS video with HDR and 10-bit color depth, delivering footage quality that rivals much larger professional drones. ActiveTrack 360 provides intelligent subject tracking from any angle, while advanced flight modes like master shots and hyperlapse unlock creative possibilities previously reserved for flagship models. The extended 34-minute flight time and upgraded OcuSync 4 transmission system with 20-kilometer range give you unprecedented freedom to explore and create. True vertical shooting capability makes this perfect for social media content, and the improved low-light performance ensures great results even during golden hour or dusk flights. With advanced safety features, precise controls, and professional-grade image quality in a package that fits in your pocket, the Mini 4 Pro is the ultimate drone for serious creators who prioritize portability. The DJI Mini 4 Pro retails for approximately $760 USD. Number 1, DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro soars to the top spot as the ultimate all-around drone, representing the pinnacle of DJI's innovation with groundbreaking features that redefine what's possible in aerial photography. This next-generation flagship features an advanced multi-camera system with a revolutionary new sensor that captures extraordinary detail and dynamic range, producing images that rival professional medium-format cameras. Enhanced omnidirectional obstacle avoidance with improved AI processing navigates complex environments with confidence, while the extended flight time approaching 50 minutes means you can complete ambitious projects without constant battery management. The upgraded transmission system delivers rock-solid connectivity up to 25 kilometers with ultra-low latency, ensuring precise control even on demanding professional shoots. Revolutionary tracking algorithms follow subjects with uncanny intelligence, predicting movements and maintaining perfect framing even through obstacles and occlusions. Professional codec support, including ProRes and Cinema DNG, gives filmmakers maximum flexibility in post-production, while improved low-light performance makes the Mavic 4 Pro capable in virtually any lighting condition. With advanced thermal imaging options, precision RTK positioning for surveying work, and customizable flight controls that satisfy both beginners and experienced pilots, this drone handles any aerial task you can imagine. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro retails for approximately $2,500 USD.